So now let's see how we can work around with circuit effect inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with circuit effect, first of all, I need to go around under filter menu right here. So once I go around under the filter menu, I need to go around over here under the render option and then choose circuit. So once I go around and do that, you can see that I can go around and change around the size of the amplifier and circuit seed right here, just like this. And then if I were to go around and press OK, then what happens is that it'll simply go around and generate the circuits right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and then let's say, for example, go around onto circuit right here and change around the circuit seeds right here and change around the mask size of circuit as well, just like this, and press OK, and then you get a different effect. So you can see that it does take a bit of time right here. So it is oilifying right here, the circuit right here, just like this. So you just got to wait and then you get a different circuit like effect right here. So once you go around and do that, now you can see that you get more like this kind of an effect right here. So that is how you can work around with circuit effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.